guess that message is they do want me to sit down and shut up, but that's not going to happen. I care too much about this great country. Now, yes, speaking of some of those associations, and you're right, mainstream media is not holding Barack Obama accountable. Let's talk quickly about Acorn and the unconscionable situation that we're facing right now with voter fraud. And given the ties between Obama and Acorn and the money that his campaign has sent them and the job that he had with them in the past, Obama has a responsibility to rein in Acorn and prove that he's willing to fight voter fraud. I've got nothing to lose in this, and I think America has everything to gain by understanding the differences, the contrasts here between Obama and McCain. So, I'm going out there and I'm just simply speaking, so be it that I'm a simple talker, but I'm just going out there and letting people know the differences and how absolutely paramount it is that voters are paying attention and that voters are understanding candidate records, their associations, their plans for the future, instead of just being kind of wrapped up into all this rhetoric of Obama's and buying into it and not holding him accountable for the things that he's done,